Hello everyone, I'm Jamie. Today I'm excited to introduce Colorlight's 5G display technology solution, which is the world's first mass-produced 5G control system solution. In our quest for more breathtaking visual experiences, we have always faced two major challenges: simplifying complex wiring systems and overcoming transmission bandwidth bottlenecks. Colorlight's deep integration of advanced 5G transmission technology with 8K UHD display control system completely resolves this pain point, delivering an unparalleled visual experience for LED displays. The Colorlight 5G 8K solution is comprised of our U-series video splicer, 5G receiving cards, and fiber optic transceivers. With 5G bandwidth, the loading capacity per Ethernet cable is increased by 500%, supporting up to 2.94 million pixels per port. This not only reduces cabling by 80% but also fully unleashes the peak performance of 8K with 5 times the bandwidth. Our 5G 8K solutions features an ultra-high 240Hz refresh rate, ensuring silky smooth visuals with zero ghosting. Equipped with a 12-bit color depth and HDR technology, it restores a vivid world with true-to-life detail. With an ultra-low latency of just 1 frame, it achieves preset audio sync with a seamless audio-visual experience. Furthermore, our comprehensive monitoring system provides real-time status updates, ensuring stable performance at all times. From immersive dome screen to premier international auto shows, Colorlight's 5G solution has been widely adopted in high-end scenarios worldwide. With over 120,000 receiving cards sold, we constantly guarantee the stable operation of giant screen across the globe, providing superior visual excellence for every LED display. Thank you for watching. For more information about the Colorlight solution, please follow our website and social media. See you next episode.